Hello everybody. Suppose that we are in a situation like this one in this spreadsheet in which we have a table of dummy data, and in the first column of this table we have a series of dates, and for some reason we want to put the name of the month inside the second column. To accomplish that task, we have set up a VLOOKUP table like this one, with the first column that contains numbers that range from 1 to 12, and the second column that contains an abbreviation of the name of the months that we wanna insert in our major table. So we use the normal VLOOKUP function. The first argument of our VLOOKUP function will be the month function that we point inside the first cell of our date column. Then for the table array we use our VLOOKUP table that we have set up. We press F4 one time to block the reference, and then we tell to the VLOOKUP function that we want to return values from the second column, and we want to do an exact match. We close parentheses, press enter, and we copy the formula down, and our task in this way has been accomplished in a very simple way. But suppose again that we are in a situation like this one. For some reason we have to accomplish the same task, but our VLOOKUP table is set up in this way. The value that we wanna look up are in the last column of the table, and the value that we want to return are in the first column of the table, and between them there are some other columns containing various data. The VLOOKUP function in a situation like this one do not work, but there are two techniques that will accomplish the VLOOKUP in a very efficient way. The first one involves the use of the LOOKUP function, which is very similar to the VLOOKUP function. In fact, we can set up the first argument like the VLOOKUP function. But then we tell to the LOOKUP function the LOOKUP vector, which is the last column of our VLOOKUP table. We press F4 one time to block the reference. Then we tell to the LOOKUP function the result vector, which is the first column of our VLOOKUP table. We press F4 one time once again to block the reference, and then we press enter, and we can copy the formula down, and we have accomplished an amazing VLOOKUP to the left. The second technique to accomplish this task involves the use of a combination of the two functions index and match. The index function takes the first argument of the index function is the array of values that we want to return inside our column, and which is the first column of our VLOOKUP table that contains the months. For the row number inside this range, we use the match function, and the first argument inside the match function is the month the mount function like in the VLOOKUP, in the normal VLOOKUP. The lookup array will be the last column of our VLOOKUP table. As usual, we press F4 one time to block the reference, and we wanna do an exact match. We close parentheses and we press enter, and then at this point we can copy the formula down as usual. You can see these are two nice technique with which you can do a nice VLOOKUP to the left. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.